We established the Construction Futures Research Centre back in 2019. And the purpose of establishing that here within the School of Architecture and Built Environment was to support SMEs within the Black Country region. The industry is moving forward rapidly, and there are two critical issues for the industry at the moment. One is we're seeing a huge digitalisation of the construction sector, which is taking hold, and it's accelerating, and there's an exciting time. We also saw that the industry is embracing off-site construction. Take that knowledge that we've developed over many years, and our academic team are continuously developing and publishing around the world, and put that directly back into the regional construction sector to help improve them from a process point of view, from a product point of view. And in doing that, it helps the whole construction process evolve and get better.
We engage them right at the outset on building information modelling, BIM systems. If it's new to you, talk to us, we can help you through that process. We look at the manufacturing processes for off-site manufacture. If you're in the window industry, if you're in the off-site manufacturing industry, producing buildings and then shipping them to site, then we can help with that process flow. So you will know within your own business where there may be some areas for improvement. We've got techniques and software and academic expertise to be able to help you to look at those areas and optimise your production process.
And the idea would be to exchange ideas, find out what areas that the business are looking for help in, and how we can apply the knowledge we've got in the project to improve that business.
CFRC have really helped us. We've enjoyed the process because of their relaxed attitude, the way in which they've come to us and really work collaboratively with us to help us to understand better what we do. We do it every day. They've come from a very objective point of view and took our processes apart and then rebuilt them. It looks quite a basic process that we do. However, we understand a lot more now about how technical and how complex it is, and they've come up with some really good ideas of ways that we can improve.
We can analyse your processes with tools and techniques such as discrete event simulation. They might find a bottleneck in the process, and we would look to remove that bottleneck and thereby improve the efficiency of the business.
We genuinely feel that the gains that we've identified through the processes that were done or that are to be improved will stand us in great stead and have great economic as well as time benefits for the business.
The future of construction is quite exciting now, and we can see a lot of new ways of working and new technologies all coming together, possibly fusing together and transforming how we do things.
Brand new centre for the built environment here at Springfield campus, which is a great asset to businesses, and we'd like the regional local businesses to engage. We can support you in the technologies around BIM, 5G, generative design, aspects of newer technologies that are just new to the market.
So we're looking at human and computer interaction, and that brings on the whole conversation around artificial intelligence and machine learning.
We can do product testing in our laboratories. We have a range of laboratories here in this building which can stress test materials and do all sorts of product testing for you.
So that you can be a thought leader really when you go to your clients, speak to them as a forward thinking and future thinking business.